Ants. Tiny creatures, but vital to our ecosystem. They are the ultimate recyclers, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. But imagine a world without them. Forests would become choked with dead vegetation, unable to decompose and return nutrients to the soil. Without ants, agricultural yields would plummet, leading to food shortages. The world would become a harsher, less hospitable place. But even in the absence of ants, nature has a way of adapting. New creatures would emerge to take their place, but the world would never be quite the same. So next time you see an ant, take a moment to appreciate these tiny architects of our world.